All right, so just the other day, Tesla released some new accessories, lifestyle ones, salt and pepper shakers, and then one specific for the Cybertruck, and those are those projection lights. As you can see, we have them in stock here. We've actually never installed something like this before. It's supposed to take only like 5 minutes. As you can see, comes in a 2-pack, but very, very small packaging. What we're gonna do is open it up actually, and as you can tell right here, you have your 2 lights, and it looks like there is a barcode to scan right here on the package to get you going. Beyond that, you can actually open them up and see exactly what's in there. And yeah, that's it. Let's go ahead and scan this, get them installed, take a quick look at night also. So the install is pretty easy. As you can see, we're actually at the door of the Cybertruck, and if you go down to where the current light is right here, all you're going to need to do is take a screwdriver or something similar and pop it out. So let me go ahead, and I have a box cutter here that we'll use the top to try to pop it off with. There's 2 press points on both sides, and all you're going to do is just wiggle it around to get it there. Once you get under it, you can see you simply just will pull it off and down a little bit, and there is the plug you're going to want to disconnect. Again, you're going to have to use a flathead screwdriver or something else just to get into that gap right there to disconnect the cable. Once you do that, as you can see here, you'll have the connector hanging, and you're going to go ahead and take that new light you have and just plug it right in and pop these back into place with those same bracket points as you saw earlier on the other one. And as soon as you get that done, you can see it sits flush, and there's the light already projecting out. Obviously, it's a little too bright out here now to see it. Let me see if I can get it on my hand. And there you go, actually. You can see the light right there. So, super quick, super easy. As soon as it's dark out, I will show you on video how these look. Okay, so as you can see, it's getting a little darker out here. Let's go ahead and open the Cybertruck, and boom, there we go. You can see the light looks pretty good. I'm gonna open the door up a little more, and yeah, you can imagine once it gets a little darker just how nice that'll actually look. I'm pleasantly surprised with that. Very sharp. You can kind of get the idea of size-wise. It's not too big, but it does look pretty good on both sides, and obviously, yeah, it's a nice little projection light. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about these projection lights for the Cybertruck. Are you picking one up? Make sure to take advantage of that new credit that Tesla is offering for the referral program. Save $2,000 now off a Cybertruck of your own. Let us know. Thanks for watching. We'll throw that referral code up down below, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.